We present PlayWrite, a mixed reality system for AI-assisted storytelling via play. With PlayWrite, users create stories by directly playing with characters and narrative prompts. At any point, users can take control of a character by picking it up and voicing the dialogue, as if playing with a doll.
Let's get this started. Show me what you got, Danny. And I'll show you what I can do for you.
Other characters would respond while played by AI.
All right, James, here we go. I've got the moves, the voice, and a heart that beats for Elvis. Let's make some magic happen.
Users can drag and move the characters in the 3D scene. They can also attach narrative prompts to the character or stage the scene with proximity to it. Characters played by AI would respond to users' actions.
You've got the passion, kid. But remember, it's not just about the moves or the voice. It's about capturing the essence of Elvis.
These spatial interactions and dialogue are observed by the system to extract meaningful story events, known as story marbles. Each marble contains an intent frame, which captures users' narrative intent during their play. User actions such as grabbing, talking, or moving generates corresponding intent frame. They can be rearranged on a story timeline. The system then takes the user's arranged sequence of marbles to generate stories and screenplay. We ran a user study with 13 creative writers. Participants completed 2 tasks, an exploratory task with an open-ended improvised story, and a goal-oriented task to create a story with a predefined ending. We found that PlayWrite encouraged expressive, spontaneous, and playful storytelling. The spatial interactions facilitated divergent thinking using materials, while improvising dialogue supported character-driven storytelling. Together, PlayWrite explores that play, with spatial interactions and spontaneous dialogue, can serve as a complementary way to create stories beyond writing and text prompting.
Jeannie, I want to make a wish. Can you make our paper get accepted to Kai, please?
Ah, Aladdin, if only wishes were as easy as paper writing. But let's sprinkle some magic on that submission.
How about me? I want to have my paper accepted too, Jeannie.
Jafar, my friend, if you want your paper accepted, you might want to try a little honesty and a lot less scheming.